The Golden Secrets of Drawing, number 26. Don't talk about it, do it. If you don't have a sketchbook or a fancy pen or pencil, find something you can make a mark with and something you can make a mark on. This world is flooded with free pens, pencils and paper. It doesn't matter if you fish an old bit of cardboard from an Amazon delivery out of the recycling box or draw on the back of an envelope. Anything will do. Start drawing now, even if your pencil says Ikea on the side or your pen is advertising your bank. If it makes a mark, use it. The best drawing materials in the world are what you have to hand in the moment you want to draw. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. How about a magnet? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.